A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is unburdening the mind, the path to joyful progress. Ladies and gentlemen, life is a journey, and what is carried determines how far and how well movement occurs. In both the physical and mental realms, unnecessary burdens slow the progress, draining energy, reducing efficiency, and limiting potential. Just as an overloaded vehicle struggles on the road, an overburdened mind and body face unnecessary resistance. Understanding what is essential, what is duty bound, and what is irrelevant is crucial for optimizing movement through life. As Lao Tzu wisely said, to attain knowledge, add things every day. To attain wisdom, remove things every day. Let's examine the issue of the weight of physical and mental burdens. Physically, strength provides capability, but agility comes from lightness. A body free from excess weight moves swiftly, efficiently, and with greater endurance. Likewise, a mind unencumbered by unnecessary burdens operates with clarity and speed. The ancient wisdom of balance and moderation teaches that excess, whether in material possessions or mental clutter, creates resistance to progress. In the words of Confucius, he who has conquered himself is the mightiest warrior. Let's also look at mental weight and its consequences. The heaviest burdens often reside not on the shoulders but within the mind. Stress, negative thoughts, fears coming from imagination, and unresolved emotions overload the brain, much like a computer processor bogged down by excessive tasks. Scientific studies confirm that chronic mental overload leads to neural exhaustion, reduced cognitive efficiency, and burnout, ultimately affecting overall well-being. A mind burdened with irrelevant worries and distractions diminishes its ability to process information, make decisions, and experience joy. Neuroscientists highlight that excessive mental strain leads to an overactive amygdala, which heightens stress responses, reducing emotional stability and rational thinking. It has been rightly said, the mind, when unburdened, becomes a fertile ground for creativity. Let's examine the role of thoughts as energy. Thoughts are not merely abstract, they are energy. Positive thoughts generate constructive actions, while negative ones drain vitality. The human system, deeply interconnected with the cosmic energy network, thrives when energy is directed efficiently. cluttered mind disrupts this balance, creating emotional and psychological strain. Just as an overburdened processor slows down a machine, an overloaded brain hampers human performance. The Bhagavad Gita states, "For one who has conquered the mind is the best of friends. But for one who has failed to do so, the mind will remain the greatest enemy." Let's examine what is shedding the irrelevant. The key to optimal living lies in strategic unburdening. Identifying essential duties and discarding irrelevant concerns helps restore efficiency. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and cognitive reframing aid in clearing mental clutter, allowing the brain to function at peak performance. By shedding unnecessary weight, both physical and mental, individuals unlock greater peace, focus, and fulfillment. Modern psychology supports this, emphasizing that reducing cognitive overload enhances problem-solving abilities and emotional resilience. It has been rightly said, an uncluttered mind makes room for greater visions. What's the way forward? Unburdening is not about rejecting responsibility, but refining it. By distinguishing between essential and non-essential, energy can be aligned with meaningful pursuits. A practical approach involves 1. Periodic self-assessment, evaluating mental and physical loads to determine what is necessary. 2. Mindful awareness, training the mind to let go of unnecessary worries and distractions. 3. Energy optimization, prioritizing tasks, relationships, and thoughts that enhance rather than deplete energy. 4. Physical well-being, maintaining a balanced lifestyle through proper nutrition, exercise, and rest, ensuring regularity and rhythm in the process. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, to move freely and purposefully, shedding irrelevant weight is essential. A lighter body moves swiftly, and a decluttered mind thinks clearly. Ancient wisdom and modern science converge on one truth. True strength lies not in accumulation but in alignment. By unburdening unnecessary loads, clarity, joy, and fulfillment becomes achievable. As the Bhagavad Gita states, one who is not disturbed by happiness and distress and is steady in both is certainly eligible for liberation. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.